Hi, I'm Tara. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Cricut Mug Press. So I went to Michael's and shopped and they only had one left. So I got super lucky. And I grabbed a few Cricut Mug Press infusible inks that are supposed to be the exact correct size, so you don't have to do a lot of configuring if you want to do a nice like wrap, solid wrap with maybe some cutout of designs and such. So I just figured I'd try them out. I also have my heat transfer or my infusible ink sheets that I can cut out and just make my custom designs too. So I got red and blue for some patriotic possible creativity on my mugs. I have not opened anything yet, so this is all going to be at the same time that I'm experiencing it, you're experiencing it. So of course we have the little stickers to open. They only had one size mug in the store when I went, but I've seen a couple other informative places on about Cricut products, and there's a 12-ounce mug and a 15-ounce mug that Cricut is making as a ceramic mug blank. And we'll see. This is the 12-ounce. Okay, so they come in two in a pack for the 12-ounce for the plain white. I did notice I zipped over to Joann's first and they were all out, but they had one mug and it was a single 12-ounce that had gray inside with a gray handle. I wish I would have grabbed one of those, but next time. So here's the Cricut infusible ink blank mug. Nothing super fancy about it, but it does say that it's dishwasher and microwave safe. So there's our mugs. I grabbed a few so I'll be able to do some experimenting. Okay, now for the big one. Okay, here is the Cricut Easy Press Mug Press. Oh my goodness. The anticipation. Oh boy. Use my scissors and snip this. So, just like with any new Cricut product, you're going to have to register it online. And you'll have to connect your new product and mate it with your machine, but you'll also have to go online and do the registration. So, ooh, it says open me. So we have what I'm assuming is the directions. It says open me. Okay, yes, let's get started. Activate your product, Cricut.com setup, and then the warranty statement. So we have just a simple lever, heating elements inside, a ready to use light. So the power button actually is green when it's ready to use, and it's looks like an orangish color when it's warming up, and also in connect mode. In standby, it's showing black. And then progress lights. So there's 5 lights, and as the machine gets to the correct temperature, it will I think get to all 5 lights once you actually have your mug in there cooking. I only know that from doing a little research. Okay. And here is the, I don't want to, it's heavy. I don't want to drop it. Here is the mug press. And then inside we have, in the bottom, the power cord. So it comes cellophane wrapped. Let's dig in. Where's my scissors? I actually was a little behind on this with like life. I didn't realize that this had came out until just the last couple days. So I got lucky at Michael's today that they had one in stock, because apparently they've been hard to come by. I believe they were released in the beginning of March 11th or something. Today is March 26th. So I'm a little over 2 weeks past the initial launch and release. But here you have it. It looks super simple. In the videos I kept wondering what was inside here. There's nothing. You can't put anything in here. It's just the lever. And then this is the heating element here. This is where the handle goes. I see the power button, and there's little lights on top of it. So it looks like a very simple design. So hopefully this is going to be super fantastic. Not sure how well my camera angle is, so I'm going to set this over here for a better angle. And there you have it. I'm so excited. Thank you for joining me for my unboxing. Click subscribe, and hopefully I'll be doing another video, a little tutorial of one of my samples that I make from one of my new ceramic mugs in the ceramic mug heat press from Cricut. Thanks.